Good morning, friends. I am Jatana. Today I am coming up with derivatives of parametric functions. Now, many students do not know how to identify parameters or what the parameters are. So, when you see x and y, the main variables are in terms of either theta or in t. Supposing x is equal to a plus cos t, y is equal to a plus sin, y is equal to a sin t. So these are parameters. I am coming up with my notes. I'll teach you. Hello friends, I have come up with my notes. Look here, derivatives of parametric functions. Now what you find here, there is a couple, husband is Mr. Y, wife is Mrs. X. They are having a servant, Ramu, which we call parameter. And after having a small fight, what the dialogues are coming from their mouth, listen to them. What the husband is saying, what Mr. Y is saying, Ramu, बाबू बीवी जी से बोल दे आज मैं लेट आऊंगा. और बीवी जी क्या बोल रही हैं, मिसेस एक्स क्या बोल रही हैं, रामू साहब से बोल दे मैं आज किटी पार्टी जाऊंगी. रामू चुप है, बात चल रही है रामू के थ्रू. एक्स एंड वाई वो रामू के थ्रू बात कर रहे हैं. दे आर इन टर्म्स ऑफ रामू. नाउ लुक हियर with the help of examples. Supposing we want to find dy by dx. X is equal to a cos t, y is equal to a sin t. Now first of all, here you have to identify what is the parameter here, t. ये रामू है, t रामू है यहाँ पे. So dy by dx can be written as dy by dt and dx over dt. dt से इसको डिवाइड कर दो, dt से इसको डिवाइड कर दो. It becomes dy by dt. This becomes dx over dt. So now we'll be finding derivative of y with respect to t. Same way we will be finding derivative of x with respect to t. Now x is equal to a cos t. इसका derivative with respect to t. So ddt of x is equal to ddt of a cos t. And what is the derivative of cos t? It is minus sin t. So it becomes a minus sin t. Now let us go to second one. ddt of y. ddt of a sin t. So what is the derivative of sin t? It is cos t. So a is constant, it will remain with it. So now divide it. On dividing you get minus cot t. Now ये जो नौकर हैं, रामू है, जो पैरामीटर है, ये बदलते रहते हैं. कभी टी आ जाएगा, कभी थीटा आ जाएगा. नाउ लेट अस गो टू द सेकंड एग्जांपल. हियर x इज इक्वल टू a cos cube theta and y is equal to a sin cube theta, and we want to find dy by dx. So similarly, पिछले क्वेश्चन में हमने ddT निकाला था. इस क्वेश्चन में हम dd थीटा निकाल देंगे. सो dd थीटा ऑफ x इज इक्वल टू dd थीटा ऑफ a cos क्यूब थीटा. कांस्टेंट को यहीं रहने दीजिए. cos क्यूब थीटा 3 नीचे उतरेगा, एक पावर कम हो जाएगी, बिकॉज इट इज ए पावर फार्मूला. So what is the derivative of cos theta? It is minus sin theta. Same way dt theta of y is equal to dt theta a sin cube theta. It will be a 3 sin square theta into cos theta. So divide them. you will get dy by dx, and the answer comes minus tangent theta. This is how you have to go ahead, and we will learn with fun. So this is very easy, and I hope you might have understood. If you like my videos, please do subscribe. I thank you very much for viewing my videos. Bye.